Hi everyone, it's Jules. I'm pulling up with a new tutorial for you to try today. In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn a boxed water carton into a cute mini wallet. Where I live, boxed water is not available in many stores, so in the description box I put a link where to buy boxed water online. Please note I'm not affiliated with boxed water. Here are the flavors it comes in, plus the limited edition If Movie Cherry Lime flavor. To make this tutorial, I used the fruit flavor combo pack of 12, but to make the project, you're really only going to need one 16.9 ounce carton. I always try to stay hydrated though. To make the mini wallet, you will need a metal ruler, a scissors, an awl, a Sharpie marker, and an X-Acto knife. You will also need an empty boxed water carton, and this printable template. You can download the template from the link in the description box if you sign up for my newsletter. So let's get started. First, print out the template and cut it out. I found this upcycled carton wallet tutorial on Instructables, and Instructables said that it came from a family fun magazine in 2007, but these tutorials used gallon-sized milk cartons, so I re-engineered the idea for the 16.9 ounce boxed water carton. Don't forget to carefully cut out the 2 circles for the spout. Always remember to use precaution when using an X-Acto blade as they are really sharp. Next, place the template on the inside of the flattened box. Match the spout hole on top of the plastic spout to the carton. With the Sharpie marker, trace the template onto the inside of the carton. Don't forget to trace the circle cutout at the bottom. Mark where the dotted lines reach the edge of the semicircles. Do this accurately so your mini wallet folds up well. Remove the template. And now we're going to score the marks with the awl. See where the green arrows are pointing? You're going to do that score first. If you don't have an awl, you can use a ballpoint pen, preferably one that has run out of ink. Score the center of the semicircles first. This will provide a center point to guide the other scores that start from the edge of the semicircles. Using the metal ruler, carefully score all the dotted lines on the template. It's a bit tricky to score over the folds of the original carton, so be careful here and just make sure that they're accurate. Now you can cut out on the marker outline. Here I'm cutting out the circle first, but you can start on any marker line. I like to cut the corners of the flap on the outside of the wallet to be rounded, but you can leave them square if you like. Now you're going to start to fold the scores around the semicircles. Do this very carefully. This is the most difficult near the spout, where the carton's natural folds are crossing the scores that you made. Take your time with these folds to make them accurate. They will be an accordion style when the wallet is folded up. When you see the fan folds start to create an accordion shape, tuck them into place to align. Massage the folds so that they are crisp and they stay aligned. Now fold the top flap over the spout and square the top corners of the fold. You can screw the cap on to secure the wallet closed. Sometimes if I'm carrying around a lot of loose change, I like to put it in my mini wallet. If you have an old worn out gum package like this, you can put the gum sticks in the mini wallet instead. I wanted to show what the wallet looked like when using the If limited edition flavor. It has a little bit more graphics on the side and the back. So try this one out. Have a great summer. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and remember to stay hydrated. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.